Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here tetramethylbenzene is given. You have to analyze the compound can give how many number of signals in the 13C NMR spectroscopy. It's a common practice that you have to analyze any mirror plane inside the molecule. Because mirror plane inside means the compound is more symmetrical. Here one mirror plane is there. So more symmetrical means that less number of signals will be there because the atom reflected in the mirror plane will be magnetically equivalent and will have same chemical shape. If you look at it, the atom has mirror plane which goes through paramethylbenzene. So the total signals will be 7 signals there. Due to the mirror plane of symmetry, the given compound has 7 signals in the NMR spectroscopy. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.